and I'm going to show you some of those details. But first, let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
In meeting with this homeowner, there were several reasons why they wanted to change out their windows. They wanted to upgrade for better hurricane protection. They also wanted to change the look of the front of the home. And also, if we were able to help them with energy efficiency, they wanted to try to save more of the money they were given to FP&L. They currently have aluminum frame windows. So when we met with the family, we showed them a couple different options. One was to replace it with another aluminum frame window, but with hurricane protection. And another option we looked at was vinyl. When they said they wanted something more energy efficient, we ultimately elected to go with the vinyl frame because it's not going to conduct that heat. It's not going to allow that heat to transfer from the outside into the inside like the aluminum frame will. So from an energy efficient standpoint, they really wanted to go that route, and they don't sacrifice anything as it relates to protecting their family from the hurricane. So it was a pretty easy decision for them. Another concern in talking to the family was security from intrusion. So with the hurricane impact glass, it'll make it extremely difficult for somebody to break in and give them just the year-round safety that they were looking for. So I'm going to get out of the way, let the crews get in here, and I know they're going to love their decisions. So this is another two-section sliding window that's been completed. It's very similar to the one we just looked at. It gives a lot of clearance in case there's an emergency for anyone in the family to be able to get out. It also allows a lot of fresh air to come into the home. We provided the hurricane protection they were looking for with the impact glass. Also with the Solar Max technology on the glass, it's going to reflect the heat away from the home, making the space a lot more comfortable. We also went with the vinyl frame so it won't conduct the heat. It won't allow the heat to transfer from the outside into the inside of the home. So it makes it more energy efficient as well. So everything turned out really well. The installation went perfectly. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.